Oh, wow. Welcome to my home. Me Castle is Sue Castle. Hello, Bella Holmes and Jordan's beloveds. Welcome to my home. Come on in with me. And let me show you what I have done with the fall decorations. Okay, today I am going to reveal to you all and show you all my living room and what I did. I took out all of the spring and the summer decor, decoration, chairs, everything, and I brought in my fall and winter. Yes, I'm not changing it until November. So, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my living room. I'm going to go around the whole living room and show you what we have. I'm going to change a few things out. I do have the ceiling fan on. I do not have my tripod with me again. This is the fireplace. This rug is just like the one in my dining room. It has the neutral colors, the grays, the brown, beige, black, a lot of neutral colors. I love this rug. This rug came from Home Depot, I believe. Purchased 2 of them around February or March of this year. Let me get you a closer look at the fireplace. Look at that. Didn't do much with the couch, on the couch. I just added some pillows, the mustard gold, and this beautiful beige pillow. I already had the other 2 beige ones. I just didn't want to change out too much because the summer color was so vibrant and bright. So let me stand back. I will implement in the description box where I purchase everything from. This table is just like the other end table. You're going to see cars riding by. No, I do not have blinds up. I just wanted my windows to be free in the living room. I love this Hello Fall picture that I purchased from my store, Better Homes and Jordans. This is my new bench, counter bench, that I ordered from Amazon. I moved the chairs. I put a picture of the chairs that was here. And I just added a little decorative tray and a beautiful little pillow that say enjoy the little things. The vase was already there. I added the beautiful pampas grass. I added the fall colors. And I have some paper on the side on my counter. You know, am I the only woman or wife to have a husband that loves to see a clean spot in the house? I can't keep my counter clean for nothing in the world. I mean, I really can't. I clean this, if I clean it off right now, something's going to be on there tomorrow. Yep. That's my husband. And this is my decorative area. These candles are beautiful and vibrant. Yes. Look at that. Let me share something else with y'all. I love this too. Let me stand back. The lantern with the green leaves in it. I can't wait to decorate this amazing, beautiful, bright stairway. I can't wait for the holidays to decorate these stairs. The railings, the idea and concept that I have in mind is just, oh, yes. So this is my living room. I put that there. It is cute in its own little right. This is my fall living room decor. Reset, refresh, whatever you all call it. This is it. This video is not This video vlog is not going to be long. I know a lot of you all are wondering where I've been. So, let me sit this camera down. So, as I set the camera down, I wanted to share with you all. Let me stand back some. I have been working on my business. For the ones that know, some of my subscribers has been looking for me and wondering what's going on. Nothing's wrong. To God be the glory. Nothing's wrong. Thank you, Lord. I started and opened up a new business, and we have been doing a grand opening. This is the second weekend and in the business, and we've just been busy with the business. Now that I'm in, I can literally show you more. I did a sneak peek, but I can show you the business the weekend. Today is Tuesday, September 10th. So the weekend I'll take you all to work with me at Better Homes and Jordans. That's what I've been doing. Now, my next tour, house tour, because this tour right here was specifically for the living room. Fall tour and reset. And that's what I did. I'm not doing nothing else in the living room. I like it just the way it is. There are a few things I'm going to do. As a matter of fact, let me do it while the camera's on, while I'm recording. I'm going to move all of these flowers. See? I like it without it, and I'm going to show you. Move all these out. And let me show you what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to take these babies. And let me show you exactly what I'm going to do with them. Add them to this little garland that I have. Yep. That's about it. Really don't like it like that. So this was an empty spot right here, but I don't want it to cover up Mama picture. Let's go back on the door. Just fill the gaps in. Just fill the gaps in. Fill the gaps in. Fill those gaps in. That's my girl right there, making an I and E. Sit you right there. Now, what I did was I took the fall flowers out of these vases. What I did was I took the fall flowers out of these glass and gold vases, and I like it better like that because I already have this beautiful piece, the pampas grass, on the table, and I like it better like that. See? And I just implemented what I took out of the vases up in the garland. That's all I did. I just brought them over here and put them in the garland on the fireplace. I know you see that ceiling fan in the back. Let me stand back so you can get a look at that. That's what I did. That's it. So I'm going to close out this vlog. And my next one will be, I'm going to show you just a little glance of it. My dining room. I'm going to remove everything off the table and just leave a centerpiece. I have some new lamps back there. That's the next video. And we'll also be doing the kitchen. Yep. I got stuff sitting right here. I'm going to move a lot of stuff out of the kitchen. You know what? I have to put a light over here. This is my coffee bar area. But it is so dark over here. I don't even have the light on. Let me see. Well, there it is. Now I turn the light on. But I might put some LED lights right up under here. These are new cabinets. And there's an outlet over here. So that's probably what I do the weekend. All of my spring and summer lemon decor is coming out this weekend so I can put the fall in. I did put this in. I love that. That's pretty. I bought it from my store. I have a few dishes in the sink. We took lunch with us today. I'm taking everything out. So that's it for this video haul. I'm sorry that it's not long as it usually is. But my next video I'll be uploading this weekend of the business, and I will implement my dining room tour. Fall dining room tour. In the kitchen. Yes. And the kitchen. All right, Better Homes and Jordans beloveds. That is it for this haul. I pray that you all have a blessed rest of your day. And until next time, be blessed. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.